How to delete your Roshade account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Roshade account. It's a quite simple way to delete your Roshade account. For that, first of all, you'll have to open your preferred web browser. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once you reach to the home page of your browser, at the address bar, type domain name of Roshade, roshade.com. Make sure you enter the correct domain name here. Now press enter to browse it. Wait for a while until you reach to the official website of Roshade. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, at the top right you will find account option. Go ahead and click on that account option to access some menu. And from the list of this menu, go ahead and click on this My Account option. Once you click on this My Account option, you will be taken to this page. Here you will find the overview of your account. Under this Quick Actions, you will find 4 different options. Look for this Delete Account option on your screen, and once you have located it, go ahead and click on it. A dialog box will appear asking you if you are really sure to delete your Roshade account. It also says that once you delete your Roshade account, all your active subscription will also be cancelled immediately. If you are okay with that, then in this box, you'll have to enter your password of your Roshade account to continue. Make sure you enter the correct password here. Now once you have entered your password, you will find Delete Account button just below it. Go ahead and click on this Delete Account. Wait for a while, and then you will see you have successfully deleted your Roshade account. If in case you want to create Roshade account in future, you can always do that by clicking on this sign up button at the top right corner of the screen. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.